I know that as a DJ and content creator, it's really hard to stay on social media, especially when you're trying to grow your brand. So today, I want to share some strategies that will help you save time, boost productivity, and help you grow a stronger brand in 2021. If you're new to my channel, my name is DJ Jolie. I'm a live event DJ from Romania. On this channel, it's all about the journey to becoming a successful DJ, and I give you tips and tricks on how you can build a better brand as a DJ and entrepreneur. Let's get started. So my first tip, have a content calendar. Now what a content calendar allows you to do is plan your posts and your content ahead of time. This could be week by week or maybe month by month. Now, if you're not someone who is detail oriented and maybe you're new to content creation, if you're not going to plan it, you need to then make sure your content is not only consistent with your brand, but it's also strong. So an example of something that you could post once a week, maybe you do a blog. They added this new feature on Instagram. Every week you're recommending a different equipment, different mic, different controller, different mixer. Something that will help boost your brand. And then the third way is know your audience.
When you understand your audience and what they want, you'll know what content to create to give you the best results on social media.
I always tell people this, but as a DJ, it's not just about connecting with your audience on the dance floor. It's about connecting with your audience through video and through the digital space. And one way that I do this on this channel that's unique is down below you'll find a Google form. I want to use your music to help create community on this channel. There's no personal gain here. This is totally for free. I just want to create a community, and also I know how hard it is to promote and try to get people to listen to your music. Let's connect. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Ciao, ciao.